Right, and question F. Sorry, I got cut off on the last video because it went over 10 minutes. So let's do question F, and then we'll go on to number 2. For how long do you predict a cold will last for a person who has taken the supplements for 6 months? Does your answer make sense? Explain why or why not. So in our equation, we've got y equals negative 1.33. Remember that the number of months taking the supplement is my x, so that's what's going to be 6 in this problem. And then plus the 4.93. Right, and since we're running out of room on this, I'm just going to do it on the calculator. So we need to take negative 1.33. We can do this all in one step. Just type exactly what we have there. So negative 1.33, we've got the parenthesis, which is above the button 8, and above the button 9 is the end parenthesis. So negative 1.33 times 6, move this up a little bit more, plus 4.93. We can plug it all in. We get an answer of negative 3.05. So our cold is going to last negative 3.05 days. So does that answer make sense? No, it doesn't make sense that a cold can last negative days. I mean, the best you can do is that you don't have a cold, and that would last 0 days. So no, that doesn't make sense. Go ahead and flip it over to the back page. All right, question 2 says, indicate the residual for each data point on the graph by drawing a line from each data point to your line of best fit. An example is shown at the right. So let's flip it over, let's do that. So for each of these points, you're going to draw that residual. So from the dot, you're going to draw a line to your line of best fit. Some residuals are obviously going to be very small, but you should be able to draw at least a little line. Flipping it back over. So how can you use the residuals? So question A, how can you use the residuals to determine which of the models is better? Well, a line of best fit that has smaller residuals is going to be better. So a line of best fit that has shorter residuals will be a more accurate prediction. So our goal is always to find a line that has the smallest residuals. All right, next question is question 3. Go ahead on to the 3rd video for this one. And take out your notebooks. We're going to need your notebooks for this.